Hello guys, today we're exploring the world of dash cams and revealing our top 5 picks for the best dash cam in 2024. Whether you're aiming to capture those unexpected car incidents or enhance security against potential vandals, you're in the right place. We've carefully researched and tested to create a selection that suits various buyer preferences, be it affordability and performances. For more details and the best prices, check out the links in the video description below. And hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tech reviews. Let's dive in with our number 5 pick. Our number 5 pick is the Galphi 3-channel dash cam. This dash cam has a triple camera system with 165 degrees front, 160 degrees interior, and 160 degrees rear views for complete multi-angle coverage. Featuring 1080p front resolution, 720p interior and rear, the versatile triple lens system records crisp footage from all angles. It captures different angles during driving or parking, and IR cabin lighting shows the interior when dark. The video quality is very good day and night. It has special night vision and wide dynamic range features. These help see details in low light or high contrast. Built-in gravity sensor detects collisions. It locks the video files so they are not overwritten. Supports up to 64 GB memory card for lots of driving footage. Accessing albums is easy via Wi-Fi connectivity, and 170 degrees field of view provides comprehensive driving evidence. Next up, at number 4, we have the Otovoda T50 dash cam, offering dual 2.5K front and 1080p rear recording. This dash cam provides super sharp video coverage through 170 degrees and 140 degrees lenses. It captures license plates and road signs clearly day and night, aided by the camera's stellar low light capabilities. Built-in Wi-Fi enables smart app control, convenient mobile viewing, playback, and sharing. Smart features like collision detection, parking mode, G-sensor locking, and seamless loop recording afford comprehensive monitoring. Smart protection features include a 24-hour parking monitor that auto-detects and records collisions when the vehicle is parked unattended. The sleek and compact design with 3-inch display affords discrete positioning behind the rearview mirror. Supports up to 64 GB storage, upgradable to 256 GB, making it a high-performance dash cam pick. Now, let's move on to our number 3 pick, the ROVE or 4K dash cam. Designed for passenger side mounting in minivans, buses, cars, and trucks. This dash cam delivers best-in-class 2160p 4K video through its wide 150-degree lens and sharp imagery courtesy of its advanced Sony night vision sensor and f1.5 aperture lens. Smart features like 360-degree emergency recording, G-sensor locking, and parking monitoring. Convenient built-in Wi-Fi 6 enables wireless video backups and over-the-air firmware updates. Supporting up to 512 GB microSD storage, GPS tracking, and motion detection, it's a feature-rich premium cam. With ultra-high-def footage, smart capabilities, and top-notch components, make this a top-tier premium dash cam. Moving on to the runner-up, at number 2, we have the REDTIGER F7N Plus dash cam. This windshield-mounted dash cam offers sharp video. Packing dual 4K and 1080p lenses, this dash cam offers comprehensive 170 degrees front, 140 degrees rear coverage. It captivates with smart features like built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, distracted driving alerts, and intelligent analysis. It is captivated with smart protection like 24 hours parking monitoring, G-sensor locking, and seamless loop recording. Aided by WDR technology and an f1.5 aperture lens, its superior night vision provides excellent low-light footage. Designed for minivans, buses, cars, and trucks, it offers lane departure warnings and more. The Safety and Recording Technology Suite provides intelligent driver aids and reliable accident documentation. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our number 1 pick is the VANTRUE N4 Dash Cam. Key highlights include 4K front recording capabilities, night vision, and parking modes. This 3-channel dash cam uniquely combines 155 degrees front, 165 degrees interior, and 160 degrees rear lenses, capturing sharp 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p footage from all angles in one streamlined suction cup mounted unit. The supercapacitor and loop recording enable reliable functioning across extreme temperatures, while its motion detection autosaves relevant clips. Key highlights include auto LCD dimming, built-in microphone, speaker, 4K front recording, and night vision. Additionally, 24-hour parking monitoring, automatic incident locking, and housing up to 512 gigabytes external memory. Packing robust recording technology in a user-friendly package, the N4 hits every mark to be 2024's top recommended premium multicam solution. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best dash cam in 2024. Each of these models excel in core areas like video quality, night vision, and smart safety features. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing for more exciting tech reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one.